So basically we're going to start with a piece of foil approximately square, which is about 12 inches by 12 inches. A tube, which is, this one happens to be made out of Teflon, but it's basically about a ½ inch in diameter, maybe a little more, maybe 5/8, and about 12 inches long. And a piece of wire. This happens to be a piece of Cat5 network cable, but you can use regular lamp cord or whatever. Okay, so the first step is to take the foil and fold over one of the edges multiple times. You want to have about 1 inch or so in the fold. Fold it a couple of times. And the reason you're doing this is because this will be the base of the bowl, and it will then have multiple layers of thickness. Okay, once you've done that, then you take your ½ inch rod and fold the foil over the rod so that it's right in the middle. So note that the rod is in the fold, and we'll now just start to roll it. Notice as you roll, it will start to form a bowl. Okay, the bowl is forming. And if you actually roll it at an angle to the right, the bowl will get deeper. If you we'll just roll it. And now you'll see we actually have, you may not be able to see this, but there's a bowl formed at the end of the rod. Roll it to sort of tighten things up. Pull out the rod, turning it counterclockwise to make it easier to come out. We then push the wire up into till it touches the bottom of the bowl, and crimp it right about 2 inches from the top. Bend it over, and then press it down onto the wire. At the end, tighten it around the wire to make a mouthpiece. Now pull the wire out, and now note that you have a pipe. It should have formed the bowl, at which point all we need to do now is take a pin and put 18 holes in it. I always use 18, I'm not sure why. I can't find my pin at this point. But anyway, you would take a pin and you simply poke holes, 18 holes, into the bowl. And voila, you have a standalone pipe, perfectly functional, ready to go.